Installing ScripTouch Toolbox on Windows. Step 1. Downloading ScripTouch Toolbox. Open a browser and navigate to scriptel.com/support/downloads. Scroll down the page and click the Download Now button for ScripTouch Toolbox. Step 2. Installing ScripTouch Toolbox. Once the download finishes, run the installer. Read and agree to the End User License Agreement. The User Account Control dialog may appear. If it does, click Yes. ScripTouch Toolbox is now installed. If you are having problems with Scriptel products, please contact our customer support by email support@my.scriptel.com, by phone 844-972-7478.